7 ways para maiwasan ang heat stroke. Nangyayari ang heat stroke sa ating katawan kung na-overwhelm ito ng init at hindi na ito makapag-regulate ng sarili nitong temperature. Sa heat stroke guys, yung body core temperature natin rises rapidly, exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. At nagkukos ito ng disruption sa functioning ng ating mga vital organs, leading to serious complications. Delikado ang heat stroke guys because it can lead to organ failure, particularly kidney failure, coma and seizure because extremely high body temperature can affect brain function, and heat stroke if left untreated in severe cases can be fatal. So kailangan natin i-check ang heat index during that day pag meron po tayong heat index na 32.2 degrees Celsius, and pag tumataas ito, tumataas din po ang risk for heat strokes. Para maiwasan natin ang heat stroke, drink plenty of fluids. So even though hindi tayo nauuhaw guys, basta mainit ang panahon, uminom po tayo ng tubig. And also guys, if meron tayong activity, drink before, during, and after the activity. And aim for 2 liters of water. If you feel like you're still thirsty and masyado tayong nagpapawis during that time, then baka kailangan nating i-adjust and baka kailangan nating dagdagan ang amount of water na iniinom natin. Number 2 guys, avoid natin ang mga dehydrating drinks, kagaya ng mga sugary drinks, excessive caffeine, and also yung mga alcoholic beverage drinks kasi these might actually dehydrate you. If available guys, pwede tayong magpahinga sa mga air-conditioned spaces, or kung wala naman, pwede tayong mag-electric fan kasi nakakatulong din ito somehow para maibsan ng init na nararamdaman. And also guys, wear loose breathable clothing. Dapat yung damit na sinusuot natin ay lightweight, breathable, and also hindi siya masikip. Medyo loose siya dapat sa ating katawan, and also made of natural fibers such as cotton to allow air circulation and evaporation of sweat. So if sobrang init na talagang nararamdaman nyo guys, pwede kayong mag-cool down by taking cool showers or baths. And guys, try nating i-avoid ang mga strenuous activity in hot weather. So avoid exercising or working too hard during the hottest part of the day. So typically around 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Pero sometimes guys, kahit super early pa, medyo mainit na. So it really depends. If you feel like it's unusually hot, huwag kayong mag-activity masyado or mag-exercise masyado during that time. Hintayin nyo if hindi na masyadong mainit. Kailangan din nating i-limit ang sun exposure. So kung kailangan talaga nating lumabas during that day, don't forget to seek the shade from a tree or yung shade from a building. So as much as possible, iwasan natin ang direct sun exposure. And also don't forget your wide brim hat and also umbrella, and at the same time, pwede rin tayong gumamit ng shades for additional protection. And of course guys, pag lalabas tayo, do not forget to wear your sunscreen. Yung favorite natin is the Mont Delore Crystal Serum Sunscreen and the Mont Delore Crystal Silicone Sunscreen. Alright guys, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye DMD Stunners!